like about this shoe is the fact that it's wide. And I like my feet to feel not tight, but some room in it. And this shoe gives me that space. The shoe is durable, and I like the fact that it has some roominess in the back here. And also, you see this nice cushion here? So that when I am coming down on the ground, there's a shock resortment. And I love that, how the shock is absorbed. Now, I took these shoes out for a couple tests. I did it on my trampoline. I did it doing step aerobics. I did it doing some walking. I even did it doing some dancing. And I got out my stepper and did the elliptical stepper. I did my seated chair workout with them on, and I also did it with my seated elliptical machine. FitVille passed the test. I have felt so good in those shoes, and I just like to advise you to consider getting a pair of the FitVille sneakers.